Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing the spicy meatball challenge. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
I already don't like this.
Hey y'all! Okay, so here's the problem. First, the problem's a barking dog. Okay, so now that the barking dog is gone, this is going to be interesting. It's been a while since we had something real hot. So,
At least not this hot.
dun, 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 dun. We were challenged by Beats ASMR Mukbang. They challenged us, Beats. Brandy and Scott, if you have never seen Brandy and Scott, go over to their channel. They are hilarious. They're also funny enough to challenge us, so we're gonna try it. So anyways, the challenge is, let me take the cilantro off here, the garnish. The challenge is, you ready?
Yep.
10 meatballs in 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
But they have to be hot and spicy. So that's the hard part. So these meatballs, in case you haven't seen them, are homemade meatballs. I'll put the recipe in the description box below because
the best.
these are really good. They're universal. They go with anything. And so I don't know if they're going to go with this hot and spicy sauce because I just read it and it says hot chicken flavor. And these are beef and pork meatballs. So I think they're going to be so hot we don't really care. That's what I think. Okay, guys. So here we go with the hot and spicy.
Oh, I can already smell it.
I think we're supposed to challenge some people. So I'm challenging Picky Dell. Who else can we challenge? I'm challenging, I think, Promo STK. Who else? I don't know. I'm going to run some names right here. I'm challenging 5 people. I'm going to run your names. Sorry if I didn't think of you off the top of my head. Doesn't mean I don't love you. Just means I'm already sweating. I got my fan right next to me on high, and I'm already sweating thinking about eating this. So, here, let me show you guys what this is going to look like in my belly.
Oh boy.
No cheating this one. No cheating on this deal here.
My nose is already burning from it.
I know, right? There's no cheating, no getting out of this. I'm going to mix them up a little bit. Woo! I think the ones on the bottom are going to be the spiciest. Because they're going to be kind of, sitting in there. So, anyhow, so yeah, that's how that's going to go. So, let me I'm going to put my 10 in my bowl. And you put your 10 in your bowl. 3, 4. Don't try and pick all the little ones.
Fine.
I lost count. 6,
7,
7,
8.
Make sure you turn them over in the sauce so they're coated. Really good. 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. 2 more. That one tore up. Get another one.
10.
9. Whew.
I got all of mine in here.
10. Okay, there's some extra for you guys. I'm going to really rub this one in the sauce nice and good because this is for y'all right here. Go ahead and take a bite of that.
Don't worry, we'll be right behind you.
All right. Okay, now we need to set a timer. Okay, so the thing is, don't start it yet. So you have to eat the meatballs. So we do have some ice water here, but you can't have a drink of your water or anything till the last meatball. You have to eat it, swallow it, Show that it's completely gone before you have any water. Woo! Are you ready? You gotta
know when.
Okay, you say go.
All right, and go.
My lips.
Ooh, ooh.
You're not even in the picture.
Sorry. Oh. Oh. Only got one in.
I know. Problem is, ooh,
This is worse than the spicy ramen challenge.
I just cooked them, so they're temperature hot and spicy hot.
Ooh. Wow.
My lips. I shouldn't have licked my lips because now my top lip is burning.
Oh, I can feel it in my throat. It's on fire. Oh.
So, like I was saying, we're challenged by Beats ASMR and Mukbang. Go over and check them out. They live in England. They're a great couple.
Great videos.
So, yeah. I don't know if I'm going to say they're great when I get down to the bottom of this bowl, though. I'm not even halfway. Okay.
You just gotta power through. But the longer I wait, the more it burns.
I know you can't wait too long between one meatball and the next, or you want to chicken out.
If you want to try. My eyes are watering.
The thing
My
is,
nose is already running.
I like spicy,
I love spicy.
but man. Oh. Halfway off. 5 in.
Oh man, I thought I was faster than that. Yeah, only 5.
I wasn't watering so bad right now. Oh, my nose is starting to run. It's getting to that.
This is what heartburn feels like. Ooh. Ooh. This is the extra glazed one.
Ooh.
Come on. Ooh.
I really got to take a little break. Ooh.
What are we looking at on time?
I don't know. You're supposed to be doing time.
It's going. Halfway there. Half our meatballs, half the time.
That ain't good. I feel my blood pressure going up.
I can't even feel my tongue, it just hurts.
Oh. Okay, so much for the break. I can do it.
It makes you feel bad. Because the meatballs are good, they're delicious, but I can't even taste them. Oh.
I'm not going to talk because I think the air makes it burn more. Woo.
We need like some celery or some milk after this.
Ooh, I got some celery in the fridge. Ooh, I should have got that.
It's too late now.
Y'all, I'm sweating. I don't know if y'all can see it on my forehead beading up. Woo!
I'm afraid of wiping my eyes. I don't want to get no burn in my eye. I'm using chopsticks, but
I'm gonna try and put 2 in here, but I don't think I can do it. Oh, I can't.
Can't even grab this last one.
I still got 2 more. How much time left?
5 minutes.
Whew.
Oh.
I don't know. Y'all only got 2 left, and I don't think y'all gonna be able to do both of them. You still got a little piece in your bowl. Don't try and skip that.
The piece that broke off.
Guys.
Oh, it's even spicier.
Can do it. I thought he was gonna come back up. I'm sweating.
All done.
Oh.
Yeah. I got you.
You gotta get my last one. Whew. Whew. Gotta swallow it. Can't stop it.
Oh. Oh. Oh, why is yours hotter?
That's what I'm saying. Why are mine hotter? Whew.
Oh.
Almost.
Oh. Yeah. You done? 3 minutes, 30 seconds.
What's left? Oh. So we did it in what, 6.5 minutes? Oh, it's not the time, it's the spiciness that gets you. OMG.
Still burns.
I need to grab me some celery. It's right there in that fridge on the front.
Yeah, I got it.
So y'all, like I said, we're challenged by my lips. Beets. ASMR mukbang. Oh, that burnt. No, right there in that bag. And I'm gonna put 5 names right here. Right there. Y'all 5, get with it. Yes, get with it. I'm gonna tag y'all. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. My nose is running. Sorry, y'all. I need some celery. That's the business. Celery ain't never tasted so good.
Oh, instant relief.
When y'all do it, have your celery ready. Or it's better than water. Alright, thanks for watching. See y'all soon.
Still.
I'm rubbing it on my lips because that even feels good. Want to try a spicy meatball? Can you handle it? They're pretty hot. Mm-hmm.
I can't even grab it.
It's got the hot flavor sauce. Yeah. Your lips are going to be burning. Don't lick them.
My lips are already tingling.
Woo. All right, y'all.
It's good.
It's good, but it's hot. You can order this on Amazon. You can't find it in your local market or Asian market or wherever. All right.